Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Hootsuite for LinkedIn Analytics access, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Hootsuite website. Log in to your Hootsuite account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, look for the My Profile icon on the top right corner. Click on the My Profile icon to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Manage Social Networks option. Select Manage Social Networks to view your current connected accounts. On the Manage Social Networks page, you'll see an option to add a new social network. Click on the Add Social Network button. From the list of available networks, choose LinkedIn. You will then be prompted to sign in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn login credentials and click Sign In. Once logged in, you will be prompted to authorize Hootsuite to access your LinkedIn account. Review the permissions requested by Hootsuite carefully. If you agree to the permissions, click on the Allow button. After authorization, return to the Hootsuite interface. You should now see your LinkedIn account listed among your connected networks. To access LinkedIn Analytics, navigate to the Analytics section from the main menu. In the Analytics section, select LinkedIn from the list of connected accounts. You will now be able to view your LinkedIn analytics. Explore the various analytics features available to gain insights into your LinkedIn performance. Remember to keep Hootsuite connected to your LinkedIn account for ongoing analytics access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.